makes a great finish for DIY projects, but getting a smooth, professional-looking finish can be tough. You can improve a DIY paint finish, though, with a trick that pros use: adding paint conditioner. Paint conditioner gets added to ordinary paint and helps it flow out better before it dries, which makes roller marks or brush strokes disappear. Plus, it's easy to use. Simply put the paint in a container and pour in conditioner according to the instructions. Then, just stir it in. Also, conditioner doesn't even change your paint color or the way it feels when you apply it. Just paint as you normally would. You won't notice the difference right away, but after a couple of minutes, you'll see the paint flatten and smooth out. After a couple of light coats, you'll have a professional-looking paint job, thanks to one simple product.